UK building controls market revenues rise to £234.8 million in Q1 2026. Like, comment and subscribe to get all the latest from our videos. The latest market information report from the Building Controls Industry Association shows the UK Building Controls and Building Energy Management Systems (BEMS) market entered the year with renewed momentum. It marks one of the strongest quarterly performances seen in recent periods, defying a generally subdued wider construction sector. Total industry revenues across products, systems and maintenance rose by 13.2% compared to the previous quarter, reaching £234.8 million in Q1 2026. The strongest growth came from installed systems and installation value-added activity, highlighting a massive push for specialist engineering expertise and integration. Installation value added grew by 18.3% to £130.7 million, with system installers seeing a standout 21.1% quarterly increase. Total revenues for installed systems jumped 16.9% to £167.7 million, driven by an 18.2% rise in system installer activity and a 22.4% increase in distributor-sourced installations. Product revenues saw a strong quarterly increase of 14.8% to £44.7 million, signalling improving momentum across multiple routes to market. Within the product sector, original equipment manufacturer (OEM) sales performed exceptionally well, surging by 28.4%. Service and maintenance remained a highly stable revenue stream, growing 2.3% in Q1 to £59.4 million, with the rolling year figure up by 12.3%. £230.5 million. Experts attribute the steady rise in service revenues to commercial estates placing a higher priority on long-term building performance, system optimization, and energy efficiency. Backed by quarterly data from the Building Controls Industry Association, the sector shows robust health across installations, maintenance, and product demand heading further into 2026. Jen Vickers, president of the Building Controls Industry Association, said, "Despite wider construction activity remaining relatively subdued, the controls and BEMS market has delivered strong quarterly growth, particularly across installed systems and engineering activity." Vickers added, "The continued resilience in service and maintenance activity is also significant, as building owners and operators increasingly focus on optimizing existing assets and improving long-term building performance." To learn more, read the full article in our Smart Buildings category. Read more at TWinFM.com.